Day 21, 3 weeks into the challenge, and we are on to the third and last purple that I have, Lilac. At first I was thinking I would try a galaxy or something, but I wasn't sure I'd be able to smudge or blend enough to make it look good. Clouds are going to be a challenge. Unless they're cartoony, like stylized clouds, which is really not what I was wanting. So I settled for making a night sky with a forest silhouette in front of it instead, and I decided I also wanted, like a little reflection over water, just to make it a little more interesting. So yeah, this one is pretty simple. I colored the top and bottom lilac as solidly as I could. And I tried to smudge the purple with my finger to make it more solid without wasting too much of the paint. And then I tried to darken the edges with the black brush marker and smudge that out with my finger, but it didn't really work. I thought of trying to get some paint out of the markers using a separate paintbrush and maybe some water, but if you've seen my first impressions Posca pen video when I got my set of 3M Posca markers, you'll know that for whatever reason I wasn't able to get that method to work, and the paint wouldn't come out. Anyway, I added a moon as well as a sort of glow using the white brush while it was a little bit dry and circles moving outward from it, which I think worked out pretty well. Before I got the white brush marker nice and juicy and tapped it over the image to try and make stars happen. And it sort of worked, well enough that I wasn't too mad at it. After that, it was a matter of using the black brush Posca marker to make the silhouettes of the trees, both right side up and upside down, in order to make a reflection of said trees downwards. Then it was just a matter of doing some horizontal lines over the water part of the image using the white to look like shines on the surface of the water and differentiate it from the forest silhouettes. I don't love this one, but I tried to do something different, so I'm not mad at it at the very least. Either way, Lilac is now check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.